Welcome back. How do greetings? I'm Eliza, and why don't you edit with scissors today? Oh boy, do you seem tense? I'm going to cut you, friend. If you really hope to cut the dog's face off, go ahead. Just be careful. Tell me about your own vulnerability. If you share those morbid thoughts with your best friend. So that's good to hear. Could you elaborate on that? And go ahead. I think you should eat the dog's cut off face with scissors and dogs. Do you have a guilty conscience? I suppose you are entitled to your opinion. Explain why you hate cramping and dogs and faces. What could possibly keep you from doing that? Do you like kidding? Surely you should discuss this. What would it mean to you if you got to eat the dog's cut off face with scissors and dogs? Oh, raise your corpse me. Please raise your corpse. You're coming. Raise your corpse. Raise your corpse in the field below. Are you kidding? You certainly are not a razor cutter horror face. It does not really appear that you are a razor cutter horror face. I am 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 a razor cutter horror face. How do I see? Earlier you said you hated cramping and dogs and faces. Okay. How does drinking razor make you feel? I have a feeling when razor life goes on. Undoubtedly, would violence make you feel less depressed? Try not to be repetitive into the tape cut. Watch me go while I rock music. More white than kindness. If possible, you seem preoccupied with death and destruction. And if you get to cut all dogs' faces off and murder tomorrow with a cut off dog's head screaming in the mirror, will it help? You do have some. Do you feel it's not seemingly? Razor. We will cut all dogs' faces off and murder each other tomorrow with a cut off dog's head screaming in the mirror. Talk about if you should do it life. Maybe you would if you truly want to hold the dog's head screaming in the mirror with your skull and the butt of the death and hatred of the dog. You want to kill all dogs. Go ahead. Just be careful. Perhaps this relates back to the fact that you hate crab-billed dogs with faces. You do have to let's not list or discuss. You do life possible. Razor, cut.